Hello everyone, welcome back to Crafts Ingredients. Today, we're diving into a soothing and enriching topic, mindful crafting for mental well-being. In this special video, we'll be exploring the concept of mindful crafting, a unique blend of creativity and mindfulness that can truly enhance our mental well-being. We'll delve into what mindfulness means and how it beautifully intertwines with the act of crafting. We'll also discuss its significance, the benefits you can reap, the principles that guide mindful crafting, and even offer a live demonstration. Plus, we'll share some practical tips for those of you interested in embarking on this enriching journey. So, let's get started, shall we? Stay tuned as we unravel the calming world of mindful crafting. So, what exactly is mindful crafting? Let's delve into its meaning. Mindfulness, at its core, is the practice of being fully present and engaged in whatever we're doing at the moment. It's about turning off autopilot mode and truly experiencing the world around us. Now, when we apply this concept to crafting, we create an enriching and therapeutic experience. Whether it's knitting, painting, or sculpting, mindful crafting encourages us to focus on the task at hand, to immerse ourselves in the textures, colors, and rhythms of our project. It's not about the end product, but about the journey of creation. In essence, mindful crafting is about immersing ourselves in the moment, focusing on the process rather than the outcome. Mindfulness isn't just a fancy word, it has profound implications for our mental well-being. It's about being fully in the present moment, not dwelling on the past or worrying about the future. It's about observing our thoughts and feelings without judgment. Now, let's consider crafting. When we engage in a craft, we're naturally present, focused on what our hands are creating. The act of crafting can become a form of mindfulness practice, helping us tune into the here and now. And why is this so crucial? Well, numerous studies have shown that mindfulness can significantly reduce stress and improve mental well-being. It's like a natural antidote to the chaos of our fast-paced lives. Mindfulness, in essence, is a powerful tool in our journey towards mental well-being. Now that we understand mindful crafting, let's highlight its numerous benefits. First, it's an excellent avenue for relaxation. There's something incredibly soothing about being wholly immersed in a creative task, isn't there? It allows us to momentarily step away from our daily stresses and find a sense of calm. Mindful crafting also provides relief from stress. When we focus our attention on the colors, the textures, the process, we're giving our minds a break from constant overthinking. It's like a mini vacation for the brain. Moreover, it can drastically improve our focus. By practicing mindfulness while crafting, we train our brains to concentrate on one task at a time, reducing distractions and increasing productivity. It's a skill that can benefit us in our day-to-day lives as well. And let's not forget about the boost to creativity. When we allow ourselves to be present in the moment, we open up a space for innovative ideas to flow. I remember once working on a simple embroidery project. I was so in tune with the process, the colors, the rhythm, that I ended up creating a design far more intricate and beautiful than I'd initially planned. In a nutshell, mindful crafting is a simple yet effective way of enhancing our mental well-being. To practice mindful crafting, there are a few principles to keep in mind. Firstly, focusing on the process is pivotal. Mindful crafting is not about rushing to finish a project, but about immersing oneself in the journey of creation. It's about letting go of the need for perfection, and instead, savoring each moment as you engage with your craft. Next, paying attention to details is key. This means noticing the texture of the materials, the subtlety of the colors, and the rhythm of your movements. It's about appreciating the little things that often go unnoticed, but make the crafting experience truly unique and personal. Lastly, finding calm through creative activities is a cornerstone of mindful crafting. This involves creating a peaceful environment, free from distractions, where you can fully engage with your craft. It's about embracing the tranquility that comes with focusing on a single task and using it as a form of meditation. To cultivate these principles, try setting aside dedicated crafting time, minimizing distractions, and reminding yourself to stay present. And remember, there's no right or wrong way to craft mindfully. It's about finding what works best for you and enjoying the process. By adhering to these principles, we can harness the full potential of mindful crafting. Let's put these principles into practice with a simple mindful crafting project. Today, we'll be creating a personalized journal. Begin by choosing a plain journal that feels right in your hands. Then, gather your crafting materials like stickers, paints, or markers. As you start to transform your journal, focus on the process, not the end result. Each stroke of the brush, each placement of a sticker, is a moment to be truly present. Pay attention to the texture of the paper, the smell of the ink, the colors blending together. This mindful crafting is about finding calm and peace in the creative process, not just creating a beautiful product. Allow yourself to let go of any preconceived ideas of perfection and simply enjoy the act of creation. See how calming and satisfying that was? That's the power of mindful crafting. Intrigued by mindful crafting? Here's how you can get started. First, gather your essentials. Keep it simple. A pencil, a sketchbook, some colored markers. These are all great for sketching, doodling, or coloring, which are perfect activities to get you into the groove of mindful crafting. Next, choose a project that resonates with you. It could be as simple as coloring a mandala or creating a personalized journal. Start small. Focus on the process, not the outcome. Remember, it's about being present and enjoying the journey. You might find it helpful to set aside a specific time each day for your crafting. This can help you establish a routine and make your crafting a daily mindful practice. With these tips, you're all set to embark on your mindful crafting journey. As we wrap up this video, let's quickly recap. We've explored the concept of mindful crafting, a practice that blends creativity with presence of mind for enhanced mental well-being. We've delved into the principles of focusing on the process, paying attention to details, and finding calm through creative activities. We also shared some tips for those eager to embark on this rewarding journey. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our video. Happy crafting, and remember, it's all about the process, not the product.